What's up guys, it's Kyra and welcome back to my channel. So as you all know, we have been doing, like our bathroom renovation updates, and I was going to include the latest update in another vlog. Like I was gonna do an actual vlog, basically similar to how I did it last time where I did a vlog and then like the update all in one. But not gonna lie, I have been doing such a bad job of keeping up with all the changes because I really wanted to document the overall process, and I feel like so much has changed since the last video, and I haven't had a chance to do like a full-on vlog. And I feel like if I wait until I have content for a vlog, then the bathroom will be done at that point, because things are changing so quickly. And like they're like this week they've been moving so fast that like, well, take that back, over the past week they've been moving so fast, and it's like things are changing so quickly. I have been getting a little bit of footage on my cell phone. I know you guys, quality is not the greatest, but I have been getting a little bit of footage on my phone, which I will go ahead and include here. I'm just gonna show you guys progress over the past couple days, and then I'll hop in and show you guys the latest update for the bathroom for those of you guys who are curious and who have been really wanting to keep up with what we've been doing. I feel like just doing one video dedicated to bathroom renovation updates is the best way to go. And then honestly, I feel like after today I probably won't do another like update per se until it'll be at least another week, essentially, because like y'all will see where we are now. But after today, they'll be done with actually more like 80 or 90% of the work. The main thing though is gonna be the shower glass door, and that's gonna take forever to come in. Not forever, but like another week or so to come in. So I want to go ahead and do a separate video just to update you guys on what's been going on, for all of you guys out there who actually care about like our renovation process. First of all, y'all let me know down below, have you guys been enjoying this and kind of watching how things have transformed? I know that I love like home renovation videos, like DIY videos. I love like anything home related, honestly, home decor, all that good stuff. I really love watching like transformation type videos. So hopefully you guys are enjoying this, and I will go ahead right now and start with the clips from the past couple days. Good morning guys, today is January 7th, I believe, and I want to give you guys an update on the bathroom renovation. If you guys have been following along, then you guys kind of know that this is pretty much where I left off in the last update. So nothing has changed over here. However, you guys, we have a shower. Oh my gosh. Oh, it looks so good. It looks so good. Me and Dion are super thrilled with the tile that we picked out, and kind of same thing with the flooring. I annoyed him so much because I went back and forth on the tile and which one we should pick and all that good stuff, and I am so happy that we actually at the last minute were going to change the tile from this one to like another like cheaper looking one. It was like a matte. It was I'm so glad that I did not change it and went with my first mind, because I knew that I was not gonna like it as soon as it got installed. But here is the tile so far. So basically yesterday, well, the past 2 days, our tile guy has been installing the tile. So pretty much he's done the full surround. He also, of course, did the benches, which look really great. And then he did the edge of the, whatever that's called. But you guys see the tile is on the front, and I think there's some on the back as well. So all of this is done. We're making some progress. He poured I think this is like concrete or like some sort of whatever this is. He poured it in here last night before he left, and it's pretty much hardened overnight. And so me and Dion are thinking that today, whenever he comes, he is going to be doing the shower floor tile and then the tile in the niche today. And I think I mentioned this earlier. I don't know if I did mention this earlier. Basically, for the shower floor and for the niche, we're going to be using the same tile over here. Just kind of tie everything together, and so it doesn't look so disconnected. That is what we have going on so far. Hey guys, so today is January 11th, I think, but I wanted to give you guys an update today because I finally finished all the tile work. So here is our wonderful shower. It looks so good. You guys, it came out so nice. The main difference here though, and I apologize for the lighting because we don't have lights in here yet still, so lighting is terrible. But as you all can see, they went ahead and added in the grout, and we went with like pretty much like just a white or an off-white grout, and it looks so good. It literally came out pretty much exactly how I envisioned it. And then one more update. You guys, they are in here painting today. And when I say they've only done, I believe, just one, not I believe, they have only done one coat of paint. You kind of see it here, how there's still a lot of, thought to go over like this area a couple of times to get rid of that red, but just so you guys can really see, that one coat of paint has made such a tremendous difference in our bathroom. So we went with the color Pure White by Sherwin-Williams. It's a really beautiful neutral white, and I like it because it's not like super stark. Honestly, it's like the perfect neutral white. Like it's just right. And so I definitely wanted a lighter, brighter paint in here because I think I mentioned it earlier, but basically our whole house, whenever we built the house, our whole house was painted just the same color. And so for the bathroom, I wanted it to be, you know, really nice and bright, especially because now we have this super, you know, beautiful, bright white accent tile wall. And so I wanted everything to really like flow and just like look really bright and welcoming and all that good stuff. So they went ahead and did the first coat of paint, and I mean literally it just looks so good. I have a picture that I go ahead and insert that kind of showed you guys a side-by-side view of our old paint and our current paint, but you kind of see here how like the trim around our doors and the walls pretty much match now. Oh, I also did not update you guys and let y'all know that we decided at the last minute that we are actually going to swap all the hardware to black instead of that champagne bronze color. So I showed you guys in a separate vlog light that I had DIY'd. The idea originally was going to be to do brass fixtures in the bathroom, but once they put, okay, so basically, you guys see this trim here, right? It's like it's a brush nickel. And I just told Dion that I just felt like doing a classic matte black would look way cleaner and way nicer with this brush nickel trim. Oh, and the reason why we had to get the brush nickel trim is because they only had like 3 color choices. Like the trim is fine because our door handles in our bathroom are the exact same brush nickel. So that's why we went with brush nickel. But once they put it up, I was like, I just feel like if we put up the champagne bronze shower head and faucet, it would compete too much. So we swapped it literally at the last minute. I like got up, this is Friday morning, I got up, I ordered all new everything. Thank God for Amazon Prime. And so have new matte black shower heads, new matte black faucets or dials, new matte black sinks. Oh, the other reason why I was kind of like about the champagne bronze is because we had to specifically get a certain type of faucet. We had to get a center set faucet because our old faucets, they have like the two holes. So you had to get like a specific center set 2-hole faucet. And the option that they had for the champagne bronze, I wasn't really feeling it, but I was like, you know what, I'll figure it out. And so even kind of the fact that I wasn't already like sold on it, and like once I saw the trim going up in the shower, I was like, I would much rather go with something that I know that I'll love, which is the matte black. It's just classic, it's clean, and I can always see how it all looks together. And also I feel like the black will look really, really, really nice against the white wall. And then you guys, here are the floors. It looks so good. It looks so freaking good, y'all. Like I told Dion that it had to get used. It is a bit of an adjustment, no lie, because like I'm so used to carpet in this room. So like now I'm seeing hard floors in here is like insane, but they did such a good job and it looks so good. Like it looks so good. So anyways, they finished all of this. They only have this section here to do. And then they have to add on what's called a quarter round. This little piece here, that's called a quarter round. And of course it helps to blend in the flooring with the baseboard. So they have to go in and add a quarter round all the way around the entire room. Okay, so that is where we were yesterday. Today is Tuesday, January 12th, and our bedroom flooring is finally complete. They just have a couple little small areas to touch up, but y'all, look at this. Okay, so I am standing in the doorway and you guys look at our room. It looks so good. I am so happy that I went with my first mind and went my gut instinct and just went ahead and continued the flooring from the living room or from the rest of the house into here. I did have them before. There was a transition piece right here that connected the carpet to the hard floors, but I just had them take up that piece, that transition piece, and just also had them take up some of those planks, a couple of the ones up here, and then basically kind of connect the hard floors from out there into the house so there's like no transition, it all runs seamless. You guys look at it. So now you guys see how our wall and our flooring looks. It looks pretty much exactly how me and Dion envisioned it. It looks so good. So we'll have this dresser up against this wall. We'll have our TV mounted. I'm gonna have that mirror, the bigger one to the left, this one right here, that'll go over here in this corner, maybe like something right here. And then we'll have our curtain panels up. So curtains, 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 curtains. We're gonna have our two little accent chairs right there with the ottoman. And then in the middle of the two chairs, we'll have like a little end table. And of course we'll have our bed, the two nightstands and all that good stuff. And then I was just telling Dion that I need to find a really nice rug for this space. Like I want a really, really, really nice one. That's not crazy expensive, but something that's just, nice and that goes with the overall vibe of our room. And then I don't think much has changed in here since yesterday. They have to come in and add the grout to this tile right here. It's a little gloomy today, but it still is looking really, really good. The guy that was doing our flooring, he's actually out at lunch right now, but I believe that he's going to basically do all the stuff like around the smaller stuff. I think he's going to do the shower heads and the turning knob today on both sides. He's about to do our faucets as well. Here are the ones that I picked out. So very nice and modern. And I just feel like this black along, or paired with, the white countertops, the white sink, the white walls, it's gonna look really good. He's going to go ahead and change out the towel rack. I also got these double hooks to go right here on the wall next to the shower, just so we have, somewhere to hang our washcloths and our towels. I always have a robe on, so this will be good. We're going to do these pop-up plugs for the sink. So I have those to change it out so that matches. And then I also have the toilet tissue holder right here. From there, it's just really cleaning. I have a cleaning service scheduled for Monday for them to come out and, give our house a much needed deep clean. Like we needed everything cleaned from the windows to the blinds, to the baseboards, to basically any surface in this house needs to be wiped down. I want to wipe down all of the doors, all the door handles, because with the door handles, people have been in and out the house and just germs and all that kind of stuff. So I want just like everything cleaned up, like everything. So yeah, like I said, I just wanted to give you guys an update on where things are with our bedroom and bathroom. I didn't want to hold off much longer because especially if you guys have followed me on Instagram, then oh, excuse me, then you guys have pretty much seen a lot of this. If you guys are on Instagram and if you're not following me, you really should, because I feel like Instagram is getting all like the sneak peeks and is essentially getting all of like the previews before YouTube. So definitely go ahead and follow me if you guys want to kind of stay up to date with everything going on. But that's definitely the latest with our room and our bathroom. Hopefully, y'all, hopefully this time next week we will be done with this whole process. That's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed this little update video. I know it wasn't really much of a vlog, like much activity at all in this video, but again, just here to update you guys and let you all know what's going on, so you guys aren't like so behind that it doesn't really make sense anymore. But yeah, so hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys did, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and also let me know down below how you guys think the renovation is coming along. Are you guys liking it? Is it not your style? Just let me know, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Bye, y'all.